Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. I have been intrigued by these Daphnes Diary books since I first heard about them on Facebook groups that I was in when I started doing the paper crafting. And this year in my Christmas Advent calendar swap, this was the big gift at the end of the 25 days. It's a spring version from 2022 of a Daphnes diary that looks like it hasn't been anything taken out of it. I got it from Jenny Pollich as she was my swap partner. So I thought I would do a flip through today for you. I was always wishing that I could find a flip through of something like this when I found out about it. I do see these books sometimes at Michael's. I don't know about the Coburg store, but out in Peterborough, it's a bit bigger city. I have seen them out there. And the price tag always makes me put it back down, $21.50 Canadian. It was regular in UK and Ireland, £6.99, and Australia $13.25. So it's an expensive magazine. I wouldn't really call it a magazine, but that's where you usually find it, is with the magazines. Daphnes Diary, beautiful pages. And there's a little note from Daphne. I don't know who Daphne is, but maybe I can learn more as I read through the book. Pages are nice and thick. And so you get some pictures, some little snippets, maps. And I think the intention of the book is to use it as craft supplies. And they're nice just to flip through and look at them, but I think you're really supposed to use the pages in your crafting, is my understanding. So here's a recipe for cake roll, strawberries and cream and shortcake. Oh, raspberries. Oh, so the recipe was for raspberries, but they thought it would be fun with strawberries. Certainly you can interchange those pretty easily. Here's a page of shopping recommendations. So it's all got the websites underneath each item where you can purchase the items. Nicely presented. And I'm never parting with this. I show you some unique objects that have been sent in by my friends. It can be anything. Sometimes it's a creative item and sometimes it's a cherished souvenir. If you have something you never want to part with, send it to me at info@daphnesdiary.com. Cool. And there's a page you could just use in a journal. A nice little poem with it. And then some things that are definitely meant for crafting. Cutouts that you can use as napkin rings. You could certainly use them in other ways too, like a belly band in a journal. And they're on very thick paper. There's a few pages of them here. All with a kind of spring Easter bunny theme. Even like the papers that are around them that you would be cutting out. You use those too. Preparing the vegetable garden. Bed and breakfast under de port. Looks like it's in what country here? Doesn't really say. Looks like my kind of kitchen. Lots of great still life things to cut out there. And then Easter bunny rolls on the breakfast table. How to make bread that looks like an Easter bunny. Teddy bear, and oh, this looks like felted animals. cute. Do a body scan now and then at home by yourself. So about body and health. And this is something that I've been seeing a lot in the last couple of years, is people that sit in ice water to stimulate their systems different ways. And then there's a challenge to find all the hidden Easter eggs on the pages of the magazine. The eggs on this page don't count. There's almost feels like, yeah, it's stickers. A page of stickers. And that's just a very nice thing that you could cut out a few different things from. Louise's Spring Party. This is sort of reminiscent of the Edith Holden style. A little bit more modern, of course. You'll totally steal the show with this cake. And recipes. And pine cone crafts, maybe? Insect Hotel. Spring wreath ideas. And here's a thing where you can subscribe. expressmag.com for people in the US and Canada. It would make an awesome gift, wouldn't it, to a crafter? I love the chicks. Chicks to draw and color in. And this kind of looks like a pink flamingo. Stylized. Paper art. Three-dimensional paper art. Very interesting. It tells you about her creative process and how she designs things. And then some friend posts, friend mail. Chocolate nests. Ooh, would I ever like to make those for Easter? Get the little tiny jelly beans that look like eggs at Easter time. Limehouse Cottage, Republic of Ireland. Beautiful. Looks like a cozy place. Ireland, here I come. I'll be saying that someday. How to cook the perfect egg. Tells you what it's going to look like after how many minutes. And then this looks like something you're supposed to take out. A room without books is like a body without a soul, and all the secrets in the world are contained in a book. I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book. A book is a gift you can open again and again. So those are obviously meant to be made into bookmarks. And then Mind and Soul. Spring cleaning for your body. Free-range chickens. Eggshell art, that's really cool. Romania. I know that the Ukrainians do fancy Easter egg designs too. Tells you all about it. A group of succulents. Nice neutral palette. White wood and terracotta. Happy eggs. Those are cute. Little bunny ones. It's a cute way to do an egg with a napkin. Cute little crafts for Easter and spring. And more recipes. Pasta and broccoli, Mexican chips. Do not disturb signs for your door. And those are, it says to cut, but it looks like you can actually punch it out. Sally Sparrow is afraid of flying and heights. Those are so cute. Hairband, how to make one out of fabric and a bit of elastic hair ties. Nice porch project. Those who don't jump will never fly. And a twig Easter tree. There are 2 rare butterflies among all these. Can you see which 2 are different from the others? Well, that's neat. Those would be good to fussy cut and color in all different colors. Lilacs, I love lilacs. Walking tour of Houston. Must be in Holland or somewhere like that with the windmills. Netherlands. Women who made the world a little more perfect. Marion Donovan. Monopoly, Elizabeth Maggi. American Elizabeth Maggi believed in the idea that land belonged to everyone and no one should benefit from claiming it. Kevlar. Telecommunications. Windshield wiper. Things that women invented, I guess. Tupperware. Pedal bin, like a step-on garbage can, I think. Yeah. Disposable nappy. Diapers. Computer programming. Solar energy. Ice cream maker. Circular saw. Who would have thought that the circular saw was invented by a woman? It's amazing the number of things that women do that just don't get publicized in this man's world. Wooden egg cup. And some more journaling cards. So you could back them with some different paper. I'm not sure why it's got, oh, maybe you're supposed to cut those out and have these show through, maybe. And it's like a postcard. Those are really pretty. And which bird does the egg belong to? That's very interesting too. Lemon curd recipe. Easy peasy. Lemons, sugar, butter, and eggs. Might actually have to try to make some of that. I know I would like it. And then that's a pretty page. That's a good coloring page. Village. It's something about different types of teas. Heart, flowers. And then they've got the cutouts here for you to do it. A few different colors of paper. Beautiful papers. Sophie Kinsella, the Party Crasher. And then what's this? Like a poster size. Oh, that's really pretty. Different florals and a teapot. Very nice. Big piece. That was just a lovely, lovely book. Now maybe I won't be so hesitant to spend the $20 if I can find ways to use this one. I just even love that feather quill there. So thank you very much, Jenny. I really, really enjoy this as my main gift, and all the other things that you gave me for my Advent calendar swap. Most of them were Christmas things. Some of them I'll be able to use throughout the year as well, but a lot of them will go into my Christmas craft supplies, which I will be using again before Christmas because I'll do a series of videos on Christmas in July. So thanks very much. This will be great for my Easter crafting. If you like to see flip-throughs of books like this, as I accumulate them, I will do flip-throughs and share them with you so you can decide whether you want to pursue the search for them. And like, comment, share, subscribe. Most of all, have a great day. Thanks for watching.